There are the survivors. Or maybe this round isn't that hard. Meep. What the? That sounds weird. Wait, 7 and 7? Well, let's see if this creature actually is 7 and 7. He likes it. Come here, little guy. Beep. Well, this isn't that bad. Also, this creature is kinda cute and adorable, even. He actually likes Elliot. Hey, don't get too comfortable with me. Don't act like I care about you. Ugh, stupid. Doesn't want to leave him. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Stop looking at me with those cute eyes already. Please forgive me. No more kisses, okay? That is... Insert licking noises. What the heck? Why the heck did you just lick me? Seriously? Ugh, okay, now that was crazy. Why the heck did I just kiss him? And why did he just start licking me? Well, because you came from nowhere, I'm gonna keep you. If 7 and 7 doesn't notice it, that'll keep you, little guy. Okay, where the heck is little me? I'm scared that little guy got killed. Let me go check it out. Oh, why do I see someone holding little me? Is that... I love you. Was someone there? Well, this isn't that bad, but he did say he loves me, or, no, it can't be. He's always cold to me every time I'm there. Instead of telling him, I'll just let him keep it. I hope he doesn't notice it. I'll just let go.